guys, what's up? It's Kit here. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing MWave's Gx3 gaming chair. So this one here is in pastel pink and white. So let's get right into it. So I put my order for the chair in on MWave's website. So I did that on Monday the 3rd and I received it on Thursday the 6th. So that will be 4 days total, saying that I do live in Australia, and I believe MWave is located in Australia as well. So yeah, 4 days to get my chair. Honestly, that is not bad at all. I was really happy with that, definitely. They use Star Trek services as well. So the gentleman had like a little trolley and he wheeled it into my house for me, because this is actually really heavy. So it weighs a total of, let me have a look, I know it says on the box here somewhere, 21 kilograms, so that's about 45 pounds. I mean, I don't know about you, but I cannot deadlift something that weight, like especially such a weird like oblong sort of shape as well. I cannot lift that myself, so it was really nice of him. We only have a few stairs, so it was like 4 stairs, but it was really nice that he was able to do that for us. And then once I got it in the door, I just sort of like pushed it to my like computer room where I want to have it. So yeah, that was good. So with the Onex Gx3 chair, this one here costs $299. So from MWave's website, it actually charged me $43.92 for shipping, and then there was also a transit cover just in case it get damages or anything like that. I paid $3.95 to make sure it was like sort of like insured. And yeah, so I ended up paying a grand total of $350.34, and that is in Australian dollars. But yeah, I'm going to open up this package here and see if I have the skills to assemble it myself. Otherwise, I'll be requiring assistance from my husband to help me out with that. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how I go. Looks like we've got some instructions, how to assemble, warranty. So it says Onex will repair or replace at no charge any product or parts of a product that proves defective because of improper material or workmanship. And then it just claims damages that are covered by warranty. So this includes any defects in material, workmanship under normal use, dysfunctional, deformed, broken, or damaged parts, and any holes in the faux leather material. So this chair is actually vegan as well, so it's a leatherette. It's not any animal product at all. So what it says isn't covered by the limited warranty: any problems not resulting from material or workmanship defects, so things like stains and scratches and other similar problems. And it says for such problems, Please request a replacement product within 7 days of purchase. And then how to make a warranty claim. So just have your invoice or receipt, photo of the serial number, photos or video of the issue, and then a complete photo of like the entire product. Yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. Blah, boring stuff. This looks like the base, so it doesn't have the wheels or anything attached to it yet, which is good. It's not going to roll away from me. It's pretty heavy, honestly, which is good, which means it will be quite sturdy. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful! Wow! Okay, so how do we get this guy out here? Be very careful. Also, I see what's happened. It has the arms holding it in place. So So that was the seat. I'm just gonna move that out of the way for a second. It's really heavy. And here we've got the little headrest. Little neck pillow. On one side you've got like an elastic strap, so I assume that just sort of goes over the back of the chair and slides down. There's a zipper so you can remove the case to watch it. My ferret is going to have a heyday playing in this giant box. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like there's a package here as well as another like neck rest cushion thingy. And this is the little butterfly mechanism which lifts the chair. I believe it says that it goes to a height of 100 millimeters. I'll have to double check that though. So one little bag with the wheels in here, you can see. There is 5 wheels in total. So you see this is the back of the seat. So nice. Oh my gosh, it's a perfect shade of pink. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll move this out of the way for a sec. And we've got the armrests here. But yeah, now I'm gonna crack open my instructions and try to figure out how to assemble this baby. See you in a minute. The chair is 5-star Ludwig approved. He likes it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing review. It's actually really sturdy, and it goes back, or forward, all the way forward, and all the way back. Whoa! It goes a lot further than that, but like, I don't need to nap. And then see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye, Ludwig.
Thank you.